You're listening to Island Confessions. True stories, big laughs, and a little island seasoning. So listen, it took us 5 whole minutes just to reach the entrance of this so-called fast food place at Ray Charles Bridge. Then another 15 minutes before we could ever order. The only thing fast was the gruff voice that said, "Welcome to Ray Charles Bridge." We quickly figured it out. No chit chat, no small talk, just order and pay. So we did. Then came the shocker. "That'll be $115.25, please." I almost asked if it came with a lifetime warranty or a plot of land on the side. Anyway, we got a receipt and she said, "Park day." So we parked day and waited. 10 minutes, 15, 20. I swear, if they were catching the chicken fresh, they could have at least told us to bring a chair. I had enough. I was ready for a refund. But guess what? The sky opened and it poured. 5 solid minutes of rain. When I went back inside, the cashier suddenly discovered her invisible paperwork and refused to see me standing right there. Then, out of nowhere, the manager appeared like a hero. He said, "The lady's waiting." She snapped, "Order coming now." I said, "What time is now?" She said, "Now." Whatever that means. The manager promised 2 minutes. And true to form, Caribbean time, 4 minutes later, here came the food. Not so fast, but definitely worth a storytelling. You know how it goes. Like, comment, and share if you ever had a fast food experience that was anything but fast. This is Island Confessions, keeping it real, one laugh at a time.